Ever wished you could plan the ultimate family vacation to a place that's fun, educational, and packed with unforgettable moments? Well, what if I told you that Hong Kong is a family travel paradise with hidden gems and iconic attractions that will thrill both kids and adults? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate family-friendly Hong Kong itinerary to make your trip truly magical. And trust me, missing out on these spots could mean missing out on creating core memories with your loved ones. Welcome to Top Places to Visit, your ultimate guide to the best travel destinations around the world. Today, we're diving into Hong Kong, one of the most dynamic cities in the world. Let's make this trip with your family unforgettable. Hong Kong Disneyland. No family trip to Hong Kong is complete without Disneyland. With over 100 attractions, thrilling rides, and enchanting parades, this is where dreams come true for kids and adults who are young at heart. From meeting Mickey and Minnie to enjoying live shows like the We Love Mickey projection, there's something for everyone. Make sure to stop by the Karabuni Marketplace for souvenirs, or hop on iconic rides like Space Mountain for some adrenaline-filled fun. Want to end the day perfectly? Stick around for the nightly fireworks, guaranteed to light up the sky and your kids' faces. Ocean Park. A blend of thrills, wildlife, and marine wonder awaits your family here. Ocean Park combines heart-pounding roller coasters like the Hair Raiser with one of the world's largest aquariums. Kids can get up close to fascinating marine life or meet pandas in the animal exhibits. For the adventure seekers in your family, the park offers adrenaline-packed rides, while younger children can explore interactive educational zones. It's not just a park, it's an all-in-one adventure. Victoria Peak. Imagine capturing a breathtaking family photo overlooking the glittering Hong Kong skyline. Take the iconic Peak Tram to the Sky Terrace 428, the highest viewing deck in Hong Kong, and soak in a 360-degree view of the city and South China Sea. Once you're there, indulge in a meal at one of the top-tier restaurants or explore attractions like the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum and the world's first Monopoly-themed park. Pro tip, plan your visit around sunset for the most stunning views. Victoria Harbour Cruise. What's more iconic than sailing across Victoria Harbour with your family? From day cruises with dim sum platters to magical night tours surrounded by city lights, the harbour is a must-see. Your kids will love the sparkling skyline, while you unwind with curated dining options on board. Don't miss the evening light show, a spectacle that's simply unforgettable. Big bus tours. Hop on, plug in, and explore Hong Kong the easy way. The big bus tours are perfect for families wanting a stress-free exploration of Hong Kong. These open-top buses take you to iconic landmarks, bustling streets, and even let you hop off to sample local street food. For a different vibe, try the night tour to experience the vibrant nightlife of Kowloon and its dazzling cityscapes. Traditional Chinese painting workshop. Why not take home a unique souvenir created by your own family? This hands-on workshop introduces you and your kids to the art of traditional Chinese painting. With expert guidance, you'll learn the ancient brushstrokes to create your masterpiece, a keepsake that's both personal and meaningful. So there you have it, Hong Kong's ultimate family-friendly destinations. From magical adventures at Disneyland to serene creativity at a painting workshop, this city truly has something for every member of your family. Which of these spots are you adding to your itinerary? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Top Places to Visit, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!